In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Display. Now scroll down again, click on Font, and select one of those available ones by clicking on the best one for you. I will go with this one. When you're ready, click on Free, wait a couple of seconds and hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, go into Display again, select Font, and this time click on My Fonts at the top. Then tap on Reboot and select Apply at the bottom. Lastly, click on Reboot in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, my default font is back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!